Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this continuation session of the CSAT series. Last time we had done the strategy and the directions chapter concept. Now we will continue that. But first of all, let's have a review of whatever strategy is so that it gets imbibed. And I will also be sharing this snapshot of the strategy so that every time you just open up this and this thing should be in your mind that what exactly we are doing. So let's start off with this. First we must be knowing that there are three pillars. One is comprehension, and that we will be taking after some time. Then second is reasoning, which is our main concern this time. Then third is mathematics. But what is special about this course is that we are taking up these two things, reasoning and mathematics, but we are doing it differently. We are first of all selecting few chapters which are important, then even in those chapters we are sticking to certain selected concepts and formulas so that we are not confused. And those selected concepts and formulas are actually based on the previous year questions and the most probable questions, as we know that the level of UPSC and the level of case, that is ever increasing, and we can be expecting more difficult questions this time around. So, and the third step is obviously the practice of the PYQs this time around. And once we are done with these PYQs, then we can take extra questions. फिलहाल ज़रूरत नहीं है, just PYQs ही अगर हम कर रहे हैं, so that should be enough to understand the main essence of this exam. That is the best guiding light, I think. And you will yourself realize very soon that this should have been done, and that too religiously and sticking to your proper discipline. And finally, our fourth thing is the final exam strategy, which is important, and that we will be discussing after we are done with all this thing. And this through all these things we will be able to crack the CSAT, inshallah. And this thing is very special. This is the art of dealing with the CSAT. ये दिखने में बड़ा आसान सा लगता है, but it's very difficult, and behind this there is rigorous training and experience of so many years. And implementing this is not easy. Selecting the chapter, selecting the concept and formulas, then only going with PYQs and working on those, and then having a proper exam strategy. So I will be sharing this snapshot on my Telegram channel. You can get it from there. And also one important thing which I forgot is that when you are practicing these PYQs, then practice this with analysis format. I will be telling you what this format is actually about. And one more important thing is that nowhere around you can search anywhere, you will not be finding chapter wise questions. With respect to CSAT, you can hardly get the bifurcation of कि ये comprehension है, ये reasoning है, ये mathematics है, बस इतना सा होता है. But the chapter wise division is very difficult to find, and I haven't at least got that kind of bifurcation as of now. So I am compiling it myself, year wise and chapter wise, and that is a difficult thing to do. And very soon, inshallah, we will be compiling that into a book also, but that will take some time. First of all, let me take you to this strategy, this analysis format. And believe me, if you stick to this analysis format, कभी भी कोई इशू नहीं आएगा, और तभी जो फाइनल हमारे एग्ज़ाम की स्ट्रैटेजी है, यू विल बी एबल टू stick to that, and you will surely come out with flying colors. This is very important, that stick to this strategy, stick to this format. And this has been devised by keeping various aspects in mind. It's not just plucking things out of thin air. काफ़ी सारी रिसर्च के बाद ये फॉर्मेट बना है, जिससे प्रैक्टिस होती है, जिससे आपको पता चलेगा कि कैसे एग्ज़ाम में डील करना है. एंड you will get to know this even this time around also. See, पहले इसमें ये है कि you have to use stopwatch or timer so that you can get to know the exact time which you are taking to solve the questions. So if you are doing, say, uh, 10 questions in 10 minutes,